A quick update on math here. So math is still trading inside of our bull flag pattern here. And we've pointed this out before that we could stay in this thing all the way down to the 382 here and still be considered bullish. Of course, you are bullish over the 382 at 28. But as long as we're in this pattern with a strong move up inside that bull flag pattern, we may get a nice spike to the upside at some point. Now, we have everything we need on the chart here that tells us that math here is bullish. So at some point, either now where we are, or if it comes down to that 382, which let me go ahead and just draw a Fibonacci going from the low here to the high. And you can see we do have a 382 here at 32. We're currently at 37. So you may hit 32 and then bounce and then have a nice move out of this pattern here. And like I said, you may also even drop all the way down to the macro 382 at 28 and drop about 22-23%, and then that's the point where we move to the upside here. So what I'm thinking on math is a decent little move out of this pattern. We've seen it multiple times. Going from where we are right now, you should blow right through that 0.5 up to the 618 here at 77 and move up about 100% here. Now, if we end up coming down to the 3.2 here, and then that's the point where the bottom is in, we're looking at a move up of about 190%. So it all depends on where we get that spring and that momentum back in here, which you can see the momentum is down at the moment. So until this curls up, I would expect that 382 support level and then the macro 382 here to hold. But ultimately, if you're bullish on math, take these opportunities to buy in, to add to your positions as it comes down. And then at some point, this pattern's going to play out, in my opinion, and we're going to have a nice little spike up on math here. Now, as for how high this thing is going to go this cycle, to be very conservative, I would say this $1.59 at the 786 retracement. You can see from today that's going to give you about a 4.5x, and then going from the 382 support, you're looking at almost a 6x on your investment here. Now, I know you may be asking yourself, it says 478% here. You guys got to understand when you do the percentage here, this is something I learned over the last week and a half here, that when you see something that says a 478% move, you want to say that's like a 4.5x, but really people do this wrong. You really have to say you have to add to it here. So this is a 5.5x, not a 4.5x here. So hopefully that made sense there. Now, with that being said, if you want to be extremely bullish on math, which a lot of us are here, you can see if it breaks the previous high at almost $4, a $1.4 billion market cap at about $12.75, and a 46x on your investment here. So that's not a bad return at all. That's pretty decent there. So what are your thoughts on math? None of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.